Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm going to make a video on Bitcoin, talk about Bitcoin. MCRT had a massive move the last few days, 100% gains on MCRT. The announcement was released yesterday that we were counting down to. The announcement was MagicCraft is going on Steam. MagicCraft is going to be playable soon on Steam. Right now, MCRT is playable on iOS, Android, PC, so iPhone, Android, Samsung, PC, and now Steam. It's, I think, the first play to earn game that's released on Steam or being released on Steam. So this is a huge event and a huge news. It pumped like crazy yesterday, MCRT, on the announcement. They also announced that MagicCraft MCRT got a $46 million valuation from a 3 billion plus fund. So MagicCraft has been invested into. I'm the founder of MagicCraft MCRT by a $3.4 billion fund. There will be more announcements about this fund and this investment, which is amazing. And also the tournament, the Philippines tournament, I'm going to show you in this video. First, Bitcoin technicals. I'm going to do MCRT MagicCraft technicals. I am the founder of MagicCraft. It is a play to earn game. It is a cryptocurrency. It's a utility token that is used so you can play the game on PC, Android, iOS, and soon Steam, and you can earn money through the separate Web3 lobby system. The Web3 lobby system is a browser wallet Web3 lobby system that's all distributing the game rewards through smart contracts, and that's why these big investors have come in, and we're getting a lot of noise on MagicCraft, which is epic if you've been following the whole length of this project. I'm gonna make this video in vertical just to see how it does. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now, and check out this. I'm gonna have coffee and look at the view of the Acropolis, and down here is the museum. But look at that, what a beautiful restaurant here. Amazing. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I've done vertical for a long time. It seems kind of cool. The market, it's easier for me to do vertical. Let's see how it plays out. The market almost very green. Palantir was up 14% yesterday. MCRT still up 6% again today. Meta was up 1.8, Tesla 1.8, almost, and it's up around 1% in pre-market. Google up around 1.6. We just made mega gains across the market. MCRT, huge gains if you've been following the project. I'm going to do TA on MCRT. First, Bitcoin technical analysis. My Bitcoin short played out. If you took that short yesterday, perfect. You're massively in the profits. It came all the way down to 26,300 and then bounced. I would close the short right now. Why? Actually, let's zoom out. Let's go into the daily. Or daily, it still shows that we're playing out like this. Same pattern. You see the same pattern that's happening. It's climbing. This is Bitcoin for the last few months since the beginning of the year. We went to 30K and it looks like we're coming down to 24K. But we do have a major support here, and we need to keep this support to keep the Elliott wave count. We need to keep this support here at around 25K to keep the Elliott wave count. But if I'm just looking at this, the main trend line is these two trend lines. This one up here coming down, this one up here coming down. So this is the main trend line for Bitcoin. So I do think we are going to come down to that $22,000 area. So you could close the short. Stochastic is oversold. 4 hourly stochastic is heading up. It's holding onto this trend line, which is a good sign. Volume also coming in, but the volume is on the sell. The volume is not on the buy anymore, so it's showing weakness. I mean, here we had volume on the buy. 4 hourly, it's turning up. Hourly, it's heading down. I would still go short purely on this big head and shoulders. This one here. We have shoulder, head, shoulder, and then the drop. And you can learn all this in the Crypto Master course. I teach technical analysis. On the Crypto Guru bot, it's showing a sell. On the Bitcoin indicator bot, it's showing also a sell. So the Bitcoin indicator bot showed a sell here when I called it, actually. Well, it called it. And the Crypto Guru bot is still showing a red sell. It hasn't flipped to a blue buy, so I'd still be going short here. I'd keep this short open. I'd keep these same trades open. If you didn't take that short yesterday, I would take the short from the top of this. It's going to fake everyone out. It's going to do what it normally does. So I would take profits now from that previous short, because if you did that short, you took profits, and I would go here, and it's going to fake everyone out. Bitcoin is going to come up here. Everyone's going to go super bullish. It's going to fake everyone out, and then it's going to drop. How much it fakes everyone out? I would say it'll probably fake everyone out more. It would fake everyone out like really strong. People are going to go super bullish from here, 28K. So if you, and then I would go short. So 28K is where I would go short from here. So we could actually take a little long to that 28K area. 3 trade setups here for Bitcoin. Go a little bit long from here, from the daily, weekly support, stop loss just underneath, and then take profit at the 28K. So that's a long. That's the long I would take. Remember, the way you read my trades, this is a long. Green is where the take profit is. You set the trades before you start. Or gray is where the stop loss is. Red is where the stop loss is. Gray is where the trade opens. So this trade would open at 26,842. Stop loss would be 26,632, and take profit will be 28K. Then I would flip short from 28K. I would flip short from there after it fakes everyone out. Trade would short at 28,000. Stop loss 28,300, and take profit at 22,600, and then I would flip long for this big long. That's how I would trade Bitcoin right now. So what I think is going to happen on Bitcoin is this path. This is technical analysis, self-fulfilling prophecy, but it's if you think that technical analysis is fake, you need to follow my channel for 3.5 years. And once you understand what technical analysis is, and you have to understand it's taught, it's a major degree, it's like actuary degree, the same level as doctor, lawyer, it's a very high level degree. So this is what I think is going to be happening to Bitcoin. And these are the trades. These 3 trades are what I would take on Bitcoin. There's 3. Remember, there's this tiny one in here that's taking this long. So I'm going to share this on my free Telegram group. We have a free Telegram group. Don't forget to join. This is a free Telegram. There's in this Telegram group, 8,500 members in this Telegram group. 8,500 members, and I'm going to share this trade in here. This was the breaking news yesterday about MagicCraft. Here, breaking news: a colossal $3 billion fund sees giant potential in MagicCraft. They have invested, catapulting the volume to 46 million. This was one of the big newses from MagicCraft. Another big news from MagicCraft is this. The moment you've been waiting for is here. MagicCraft is about to cast a spell on Steam. Get ready for the most epic gaming experience. And this was the announcement. The announcement with Steam. You also, right now, there's a chance to compete for 100,000 MCRT as one of the top 5 leaderboard champions on Zealy. So there's a $100,000 competition right now, 100,000 MCRT competition. You've got to follow MagicCraft Twitter to check it out, which is beautiful. And we have another exclusive news, exciting news for Magic. Now the news is coming out like every hour. It's crazy. We're getting ready for an ultimate... this is the stadium that MagicCraft will be played in, MCRT. If you've been following the game's progression, this is amazing news. Get ready for the ultimate 40 esports team extravaganza. 40 esports teams in the Philippines. MCRT is thrilled to announce our giant tournament event at SMX Convention Center in Manila during the AIBC World event on July 19th. Teaming up with the prestigious Philippine National Esports League, 2.5 million players powered by Easy Esports is in this showdown, which is huge news, everyone. So MagicCraft will be played here by 40 esports teams. There's just a news after a news. This MagicCraft for the last 24 hours has been trending as number 5. XRP, Solana, BNB, Uniswap, MagicCraft. Now, what's interesting is all of these tokens are in the billions of hundreds of millions to billions of dollars. XRP is in the billions, Solana is in the billions, BNB is in the billions, Uniswap is in the billions. MagicCraft valuation is still now it's valued at 47 million, but the current valuation is still 7 million. So on the token, get ready for another thrilling community tournament. There's a community tournament this week, 1v1, the stakes with the grand prize of 500 USDT. There's a weekend tournament that's going on. Check it out, MagicCraft. You can play it on PC, Android, iOS. It's just MagicCraft was also trending as number 1 on Dex Tools, hot number 1 on Dex Tools. This is the fund announcement, and MagicCraft on these announcements just exploded on these announcements. It just went crazy. This is MagicCraft chart. Look at this. It's up now since the countdown, since I've been talking about like that. There's a big announcement coming from MagicCraft. It's up now 71%, and it reached a high of 87%. Look at the volume that's also came into MagicCraft since this announcement in the last few days. Also, what I'm seeing here is a giant bullish pennant. This is a bull pennant. I'll show you. This is a bull pennant, bullish pennant. You see this? This is a bull pennant on Magicraft. If this plays out, usually bull pennants move the pole of the pennant. So this is the pole of the pennant, this distance here. So that should take us to around 0.005 if this bullish pennant plays out. And normally this is how the pennant plays out. You're seeing this yellow line? This is how the bullish pennant normally plays out. See? Bull pennant, which will be amazing for MCRT. You can get MCRT on PancakeSwap, on Bybit. It's tradable on Bybit. So this is my Bybit account. You can go into assets and you can go, this is my Bybit account, 290,000 in here, up from 260,000 a few days ago. So in a few days made 30 grand. I've got 1 Bitcoin in here. I've got $53,000 of MCRT. So you can just go to MCRT, up 18% today, and I just buy $1,000 of MCRT. I'll put the buy order here, $1,000 of MCRT, buy, and that order is now in the list, my green dot here on MCRT. And I've got a big trade that I'm building on IOTA. I'm going to add another $1,000 to this IOTA trade. I mean, I have a trade at 1.775. I mean, I think it will activate over time. This trade was 2,000 profits. It's come down. I think it will activate those trades. So I've got a lot of, I've got 2 orders at 0.1775 and 0.1755. I'm building a $250,000 position on IOTA. And if you want to trade, you just go under the video. In the description of the video, go down below. You can join that free Telegram alerts group. It's in the description. 8,500 traders in this alerts group. You can trade MCRT here on PancakeSwap. The link to trade MCRT on decentralized exchange. You can take the crypto master course where you can learn everything that I'm showing in these videos, and you get those technical, indicator bots, and you can take the trading. You can start trading on Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus on Bybit, and yeah, it's just a lot of stuff happening, which is beautiful. What else is there to show you? Magicraft tournament. There's going to be cosplay. She's got 1.7 million followers or something. A famous cosplayer. Magicraft was up 50% overall since yesterday. It's just a lot of amazing news. All the links are in the description. Big news for Bybit. And this is what the game looks like, Magicraft. This is the game. This is the website, magicraft.io. You can play it on PC, Android, and iOS. And now it's announced it's coming to Steam. And you can see some of the gameplay footage here. Lobby system, staking system, NFT marketplace. The game is getting super full, so make sure you check it out. Lots of cool info here. And the game... and you can see Magicraft here on, it's up, going up again today, which is beautiful, on CoinMarketCap. All the links are in the description. I am the founder of, my coffee came, so I am the founder of Magicraft. It is, and you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I think is going to happen on the TA based off technical analysis. None of this financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. And yeah, the team is just doing amazing. Announcement after announcement. Filipino tournament coming up, which is huge. This big event in the Philippines, in Manila, like some big stadium. We're moving Magicraft MCRT to be what I want it to be, is the currency of gaming, the utility token of gaming. What we're doing, Magicraft MCRT is usable in games, but it's also convertible to Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. So it's the first real currency for games. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Join all the links in the description. Hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. Love you all. Congratulations, everyone, on MCRT. I've been talking about the announcements coming for the last few weeks. Congratulations, 100%. If you put 1,000, it's 2,000. If you put 100,000, 200,000. If you put 1,000,000, 2,000,000. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Oh, also, let me know what you think about this vertical. Do you like it vertical like this, or do you like it horizontal where I normally make my videos? Just testing it out. I'm gonna have this beautiful coffee, these biscuits by the Acropolis. Look with the view. I got to switch. I sat here so you could see the Acropolis. And my favorite thing just came, which is Greek salad in Greece with the Acropolis. Thank you so much, Marios. Mario, his name was Marios, my friend. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.